Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's doodle illustrated by Detroit-based guest artist Russell Becker honors June 10th, an annual federal holiday. Do you know about what is federal holiday? What is June 10th and why do we celebrate? And more interesting facts about June 10th. Let's start this video. If you like this video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's start. What does June 10th celebrate? June 10th is a holiday commemorating the freedom of the slaves in the United States. The name June 10th is a combination of the words June and 19th. The day is also called Emancipation Day and Freedom Day. When is June 10th celebrated? It is June 19th. Yes, June 19th is June 10th. Who celebrates this day? This day is celebrated in the United States mostly by African Americans. It is most celebrated in the state of Texas, where it has been an official state holiday since 1980. Most of the Americans celebrated this day. Many other states recognize the day as either an official holiday or observance. What do people do to celebrate? There are a number of different ways that people celebrate the day, including parades, marches, and barbecues. Many people get together for ceremonies that include public service awards, prayer, and the raising of the Juneteenth flag. Government and educational facilities will often have programs or information regarding the history of the holiday and the Emancipation Proclamation. It's also a time for African Americans to celebrate their heritage. History of June 10th. The Emancipation Proclamation was issued by Abraham Lincoln on September 22, 1862. It went into effect on January 1st, 1863. However, slaves were not set free in the Confederacy until Union Army was able to come in and take over. On June 18, 1865, the Union Army arrived in Galveston, Texas. The next day, June 19th, General Gordon Granger announced that the slaves in Texas were free by order of the President of the United States. The former slaves in Galveston celebrated the day that they were set free. The first Juneteenth celebration took place the very next year. The annual celebration began to spread throughout Texas and surrounding states. However, it became less popular in the early 1900s. It became popular once again in the 1950s and 1960s. In 1980, it became an official state holiday in Texas. There is currently a movement to get the day recognized on a national level. Now we are talking about fun facts about Juneteenth. It is the oldest known holiday that commemorates the end of slavery in the US. Second fact. Juneteenth is the title of a book by author Ralph Ellison. Other books by Caroline Mayer and Anne Rinaldi also center around the day. Third fun fact is some cities and groups have Miss Juneteenth contests. Fourth is strawberry soda pop was once a popular drink associated with celebrating the day. Last fun fact is about Juneteenth. There is a Juneteenth flag of freedom. It is half red and half blue with a star in the middle. Each year, a Juneteenth flag raising ceremony is held in Galveston. So today the search engine Google Doodle is illustrated by Detroit-based guest artist Russell Becker. Today the doodle artwork celebrates joy within the Black community as well as the perseverance foundational to this journey toward liberation. With each letter, the doodle transitions from historical Juneteenth parades to modern day traditions such as education through strolling outdoor gatherings with family and friends, and commemorative festival and parades. While Juneteenth recognizes over a century, and a half of progress, it also reminds Americans to continue to build a more equitable and unified nation. Happy Juneteenth! Hope you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.